Hi, my name is Imran Kukradawala. I live in the Washington DC area. I strongly condemn the biased arrest of Bhima Koregaon activists. This is a shameless attempt to suffocate dissent and freedom of speech. I demand immediate and unconditional release of all activists and urge the government of India to follow the due process. The human rights situation in India, especially for Dalits and minorities, is very dangerous, as draconian laws like the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act are being used to put down legitimate voices against the injustice that's being done. All forces in favor of justice should come together and demand an end to this illogical arrests. Respect for the constitutional rights and allow freedom of thoughts and expressions for India to remain a vibrant democracy that we know it to be.
Jai Bhim, my name is Jyoti from New Jersey, USA, and I demand the immediate release of Dr. Anand Teltumbde. Thank you.
Bhim, my name is Trupti from Detroit, Michigan, and I condemned arrest of Dr. Teltumbde. I would like to request Indian government to immediately release him. Thank you.
Jai Bhim, this is Seematul from New Jersey, USA. I demand immediate release of Dr. Anand Teltumbde and 10 other activists who are jailed under false accusation for anti-national activities. This is nothing but the harassment of Dalit Bahujan intellectuals. Thank you. Jai Bhim.
Hi, my name is Pankaj from Calgary, Canada, representing Ambedkarites International Mission Society, Canada. I am standing in solidarity with several human rights activists, professors, journalists, and many other intellectuals who are wrongfully held in custody by the present government in India. I demand immediate release of Dr. Teltumbde along with 10 other human rights activists and intellectuals. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Aparna Mandavkar. I am in the United States right now, and I demand the immediate release of Dr. Anand Teltumbde and 10 other human rights activists. Please don't suppress the voice of the oppressed using the COVID-19 lockdown. I'd urge the government to declare their immediate release. Thank you.
Jai Bhim, my name is Dr. Raj Narnavre from Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. I demand the immediate release of Dr. Teltumbde and 10 other human rights activists who have been falsely accused under the Anti-National Security Act. Thank you.
Jai Bhim, myself Ajay Thul from New Jersey, USA, and I demand immediate release of Dr. Anand Teltumbde and 10 other activists who are falsely accused and jailed for so-called anti-national activities, which is totally fabricated. Government should stop harassing Dalit Bahujan intellectuals just to weaken the Ambedkarite movement. I also demand that government should investigate and book real culprits like Bhide and Ekbote who misguide youths to create bitterness between castes and religions, which results into communal riots. On the other hand, Dalit Bahujan intellectuals always work on enlightening the people, which helps in building the better society and ultimately the nation. Jai Bhim.
I, Major Mall, resident of Calgary, Alberta, representing Ambedkarites International Mission Society, Canada, demand the immediate release of Dr. Anand Teltumbde and 10 other human rights activists who are falsely arrested in the pretext of anti-national activities.
Jai Bhim, I am an Ambedkarite from America. I express my solidarity with Dr. Teltumbde and other activists and intellectuals who are imprisoned in the Bhima Koregaon case. It will be 2 years on June 6th since Surendra Gadling, Shoma Sen, Mahesh Raut, Rona Wilson and Sudhir Dhawale were arrested. In 2 years, NIA hasn't proved any evidences against this social activist. I condemn the arrest of this activist and demand immediate release. Jai Bhim. Thank you.